Hey beauties, so today we're doing a full face of Fenty Beauty. I wanted to feature the bronzers in this beautiful bronzy summertime fine look. I am really feeling these new products, so just keep watching to see how to get Fenty bronze. So I'm going to start with the Fenty Pro Filter Primer and just prime my face. So I already did my brows because we don't have brows yet, but I know Rihanna's coming. I'm using the Pro Filter in 420. That's I forgot to shake it. I'm gonna put this all over my face. I haven't used this foundation in such a while. Just cover up my forehead. I haven't seen Andrea use the Fenty concealer as foundation, so I'm actually gonna add some to my face because a girl loves her some full coverage, you know. This is 420, so my same color but in the concealer version. Oh, that's a lot more coverage. Oh my gosh. Wow, that's definitely a nice full cover. This is super full cover right now, and it's not as matte as the foundation on its own. It's more like a natural finish right now. So I'm taking the concealer in 385. I'm gonna go under my eye to just highlight. I actually lost my matchsticks. Well, I didn't lose them, I just don't know where they are. They're somewhere in my house, but I have matchsticks and I have all the highlight, the kilowatts. I have no idea where I put any of those except like the new ones, so I'm gonna be using the new ones today, which is fun anyway. So I'm just gonna blend this in, and then we're gonna just set that with the Fenty powder. Blend, 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 blend. I'm gonna blend this in. Oh nah nah, what's my name? Knows how to move my body. Okay, so for under my eye, I want to use Not Honey. I'm gonna use this banana powder from Fenty called Banana. I'm just gonna shake off. Gonna shake off the excess that I don't want, and then we're just gonna press that under my eye. This is really gonna help prevent any excess creasing and just give you a nice flawless under the eye look. One of the things I realized when I was in Makeup by Mario's little class is that he really like pushes the setting powder hard into the skin. Like he was pushing the powder so hard the model's head was like moving backwards. But yeah, I was like, oh my gosh, I've been being too gentle with my powder. So for the rest of my face, I'm gonna use Honey just because that's the only other. Well, that just fell to the floor. Okay, so I'm gonna use a brush, I guess. I'm gonna use a brush instead. I'm gonna use Honey for the rest of my face. I'm just gonna just tap that onto my skin just to set everything and prevent any excess oils. This one is a little bit more yellow than the first powder, and I like it for the rest of my face, not so much under my eyes because it's just a little bit too yellow sometimes, you know? I don't know. So we're gonna move into bronzer, and I'm gonna go in with Mocha Mami. I like using this type of brush for bronzer. Use whatever brush you want. Some people like really big brushes, almost like a powder brush, but I like this type of brush because I can kind of control it a little better. So I just gently go like right here. Ooh, you guys can see my lace. Oh no. Alright, I'm just gonna I need to take this wig off, but I'm waiting for it to kind of like loosen on its own because I don't want to rip my edges out. So I'm just gonna, you know, wait till it gets a little more loose so I could take it off. Alright, so we're just gonna put this on anywhere the sun would hit you. On the Sephora website, it does say that these can also be used as a contour. I feel like if you have one of the neutral shades, then yeah, you could definitely contour with it. But if it's a more warm shade, like a red tone, I wouldn't really contour with that. I feel like it's a little bit more red than I would go with, but I don't mind it. It's like an extra bronzy bronze. Like, I definitely just came from St. Lucia, you know? Here, wherever the sun would hit you, you know? Actually, I'm going to use this for my eyeshadow also. And I'm just going to smoke out some bronziness. This is a really pretty color. If you're going on vacation and you don't want to bring too many products, it's cool to have these like multi-use products. If you saw my first video, you know how I feel about Penny for Your Thoughts. I love this powder. This is my favorite thing ever from Fenty. Like, it's so pretty. I really love it, you guys. I topped this over my bronzer and it just gives me such a beautiful look. It's so extra, but like, if there was such a thing as naturally extra, this is exactly what this is. Like, you're extra, but like in a natural way. It's not purple glitter, it's like bronzy glitter. So it's just so like naturally extra. Like, you're not even sure if you're extra. Like, you're just like a bronze queen. I don't know. I love it. I'm taking a flat brush and use some setting spray. I'm gonna just add this to my eyelid. Wow. It's just perfect. I'm gonna take some more of Mocha Mammy and we're gonna go under here. We're gonna take some fly liner and do a little bit of a wing. We're gonna go in a little bit here. I'm gonna use some Pat McGrath mascara because I feel like that's pretty on brand, you know? I don't have a Fenty mascara yet, but Auntie Pat will do. I'm gonna use a black eyeliner just to darken my waterline. I'm taking some more of the bronzer and just kind of blending that out. So we're going to take some of How Many Carats, which is this really beautiful milky product, and I'm going to just do this on my nose. Just add a little bit of a glare. We're going to add some right here also. It just adds a nice glare. It's like some translucent silvery sparkle. I think it's a really nice product. I would love to see this in like a gold. For my lips, I'm going to mix these two colors because I want to create a nice orangey coral shade. So we're going to line the lips. MAC Chestnut. We're going to use Uncensored first. Then I'm going to take Unattached and apply that to the center. I feel like I'm just missing some bomb lashes and we're good. I'm going to use my AliExpress lashes. Alright y'all, so this is the entire look. I really hope you like it. I am really feeling this look. Like, this is perfect for the summertime. You could definitely add some more highlight if you wanted to. I couldn't find my kilowatts, that's why I didn't add any more highlight, but I would definitely add some beautiful like golden highlights. Anyways, you guys, that is it for the whole look. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you love the Fenty bronzers or Penny for Your Thoughts, also give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.